Some proof that KG is funny.
I got the line on, and check out that tip right there. Looks normal and everything. It ain't, okay? They ain't supposed to do that. They put me a spinning rod tip on it.
You don't have to worry about that no more. Just gotta break this end off.
Ow.
Bruh.
Over here, he just claimed to seeing an 8-pound bass. What can you tell Channel 000 News about that?
Well,
Your sighting.
I was throwing that out.
Mm-hmm.
And
Good story. How far we need to cast this thing? Don't matter. What's he saying? What? Huh?
subscribe.
Oh, he's saying subscribe.